It's time to go get some cheese. Did I just hear cheese? Don't even think about it. Freaking rat. I'm just gonna go to the kitchen and get some cheese now. Peekaboo! What the freak? Get in there! Well, now I just lost my appetite. I don't want to eat anymore. I'm just gonna go to sleep now. He's gonna get woken up so hard. Wake up and smell the coffee! Ah! It's time to play whack-a-mole! Wait, what? Or should I say, whack-a-rat? Bam! I'm still alive!